Hi, it's Tamara here from the EFT Training Centre, and today's day 16 of my daily tapping videos to support people with the coronavirus epidemic. And yesterday I had a day off, so it was my birthday, so birthday in isolation, which actually turned out to be probably the best birthday I've ever had, believe it or not. My daughter made this isolation survival kit for me, which was very hilarious. My friend Michelle Kay made an online near dance party for me, which was phenomenal, and I had friends join me from all over the world, which I'd never do on a normal birthday. And my neighbour made me a fantastic vegan dinner, which she dropped by the front door. So it was all beautiful surprises and a very, very nice day. So today, if you're watching this now, my aim is to make these videos a virus, or tapping at least, a virus bigger than the fear virus, which obviously is bigger than the coronavirus pandemic, because the fear virus is what is affecting all of us, whereas not all of us are affected by the coronavirus. So if you're watching this, click on share so that we can get the word out there, so that we can help everyone, support them through this very, very difficult time. Now today I want to teach you a very simple technique. It's called the collarbone breathing technique, and it's very good for when you're feeling overwhelmed. There are no words that you have to say. You just have to follow what I do and do what I say. Well, I'm not saying anything, so just do what I do. And it's good for overwhelm. It's good for balancing left and right sides of the brain, and it's also it's very, very calming. So I do that if I'm not thinking straight, I'll just do it, and immediately every part of me will calm. Now it's like rubbing your tummy and patting your head at the same time, where you have to do a few things. So I'm going to repeat it twice. The first time I'll kind of be teaching you, so you won't necessarily get the benefits, but then I'll do it one more time, and hopefully it will make a lot more sense. I might bring this a little bit closer so that you can see. So there are a few things to do. So the first one is to identify the gamut point. Now the gamut point is the point on the dip of the back of your hand, in between the little finger and the ring finger. And what we do is we tap into that area, that dip. And just, it doesn't matter which hand, but I'd like you to mirror me for this, okay? And the next thing that we do is we put out of the hand that isn't actually tapping. So this hand, you put on your collarbone point. Now your collarbone point is 1 inch down and 1 inch across from the dip in your throat. So you know where the dip is, 1 inch down, 1 inch across. You've got your sternum here, you've got your collarbone here, so it's like a little corner, and it's the bit which is not on the bone in the corner. So it's kind of just here. So on me, it's just about there. So I put my fingers on that point and I tap here. Now, while you're doing that, you take a sequence of breaths, and the breaths go like this. It's like you take a full breath in, you breathe halfway out, you breathe all the way out, you breathe halfway in, and you relax. So let's just practice that on its own. Take a full breath in, breathe halfway out, breathe all the way out, breathe halfway in, and relax. So all at the same time, what we're doing is we're putting our fingers on the collarbone point, we're tapping on the gamut. Make sure that your elbows aren't touching the sides of your body, so just having them a little bit away. You don't have to be up here, but just a little bit away, and we'll take the breath. So take a full breath in, breathe halfway out, breathe all the way out, breathe halfway in, and relax. We're going to repeat this now with, instead of the fingertips on that point, actually we're going to put the finger joints on that point. So just here on the point, on the same point, the collarbone point, and tap on the gamut point. And again, we're going to repeat the breathing sequence. Take a full breath in, breathe halfway out, Breathe all the way out. Breathe halfway in. And relax. So we're going to repeat this again, but what we're going to do is we're going to slide the finger joints over to the other side, so the other collarbone point. And again, take a full breath in. Breathe halfway out. Breathe all the way out. Breathe halfway in. And relax. And we're going to repeat that again. And we're going to do that this time with, instead of the finger joints, we're going to use the fingertips again. So take a full breath in. And this is on the other side. Take a full breath in. Breathe halfway out. Breathe all the way out. Breathe halfway in. And relax. And this time we're going to do the same thing, but I'm going to take the fingers of this on this hand, swap and tap. So we're just swapping the hands round. Take a full breath in. Breathe halfway out. Breathe all the way out. Breathe halfway in. And relax. And now we're going to take the finger joints again. So over here, take a full breath in. Breathe halfway out. Breathe all the way out. Breathe halfway in. And relax. And slide your fingers across so that we finger joints on the the other side now. Take a full breath in. Breathe halfway out. Breathe all the way out. Breathe halfway in. And relax. And then the fingertips on that point. Take a full breath in. Breathe halfway out. Breathe all the way out. Breathe halfway in. And relax. So we've done it once the whole way around with me teaching. So let's just repeat that so that you can get into the swing of it. So I'm going to start again, and I'll still tell you what to do with the breathing, but you'll just follow me with the fingers. So take a full breath in. Breathe halfway out. Breathe all the way out. Breathe halfway in. And relax. And just do the breathing this time in your own time and follow me. So now we, instead of finger joints, we're fingertips, we're now finger joints. Take a full breath in. Breathe halfway out. Breathe all the way out. Breathe halfway in. And relax. Sliding across and breathing. Fingertips, breathing. Swapping hands. Finger joints. Sliding across. Fingertips. And that's it. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Please do repeat that as often as you need to, just to calm your mind. And of course, any breathing exercise is going to be really good during this coronavirus to strengthen your lungs and your breath. So please share this with anyone who you think will benefit. And if you'd like to tell me what you'd like the next tapping video on tomorrow, please do share in the comments. So stay strong, and we're going to get through this together. You're doing really well, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.